Hi, I'm Katherine Mateo, and I'm a senior HR business partner with the Walt Disney Company. I'm super excited to be partnering with Elevator to bring you the HR management course. This course is going to be great for young professionals who are trying to get a better understanding of the HR function as a whole. Those of you who maybe are in similar fields but want to really break into HR. And for those of you who are already in HR and have had a significant amount of experience within this field, this is going to be a great opportunity for you to dive into some of these best practices as well as the industry trends that are impacting the HR community today. This course is going to be split up into 12 classes. The 12 classes are going to cover topics such as talent acquisition, compensation, learning and development, and employee engagement. Throughout these courses, we're also going to dive deep into some of the industry trends. We want to make sure that you're getting a real life understanding of HR, how it's impacting our businesses, and what are some of those best practices to move forward. We're also, again, going to dive into some of these great industry trends that we're focused on right now, such as HR analytics, HR data, and diversity, equity, and inclusion. The course is going to end with a career development workshop where I will help you tighten up your resume, provide feedback, as well as help you draft a cover letter for your potential dream job. Really looking forward to having you all in my class, and see you soon.